guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk.
Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk. You can see my big 48-inch Aorus monitor from Gigabyte currently sitting in my car. I'm going to show you how to get this out, how to move it to your house with just one person. Alright, so just take it out slowly, get it to a standing position. Alright, get it to a standing position like this. Now you're just going to lift it up, both hands like you're hugging someone. Alright, there it is. So now I'm going to measure the dimensions of this box so that you know you can fit it in your car. So let's measure this, the width first. Got a measuring tape here. 77 centimeters. 77 centimeters across here. Now let's measure the height. Vertical height. Right, how high it is, 119 centimeters downwards, and the depth, so this way, the depth, 16 centimeters. 16 centimeters is the depth. Alright, so that's how big the box is if you want to try and see if it fits in your car. This thing is way too big for me to unbox on the table, so I'm going to unbox it on the floor. Okay, so some of the things on the side, FO48U tactical gaming monitor. You can see it's 120 Hz, Ultra HD, which means 4K resolution. OLED, which is very important. That's the reason why it's expensive, because of the OLED technology. Okay, there's some instructions on the side. You can see here, I open up the box, take out all the stuff, pull out the plugs on the side, pull up the box, take the top part of the plastic off, take the monitor off, installing the stand. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, so look at all this stuff. A remote control, really good. We're gonna need this stand. Okay, look at how wide the stand is. We're going to measure that for you here right now. How wide is the stand? 25 centimeters. A bit more than 25. All right, maybe in 25.2 centimeters. So you need at least 25.2 centimeters of space to put this on. Okay, another stand. Lots of cables, power cable, HDMI cable, USB cable, display port cable, what's this? Power cable. User manual, some screws, and a battery. The good thing is if you forget what to do, just have a look at the instructions again. We've done that bit. Now let's open up the plastic part. So can we pull this out? Yes, pull it out. Okay, there's a thing in the middle you can squeeze. Squeeze it, pull it out. Same thing here. Squeeze, pull it out. Number 3 is done. Number 4, pull out the box. Okay, so there's the monitor there. Pull this out. Pull this out. Alright, so that's the front of the monitor. So I'm going to let it sit on the back so I can put the stand on. Okay, so how do you put this stand on? How do you put this on? Something like this. Oh, just slot it in. Slot it in like this. That's it. Slot it in. Okay, I also saw a question on the internet. Can this stand be reversed? The answer is no. You can't reverse it. You have to go this way. Okay, so you're going to need these screws. So because I'm going to screw it in from the bottom, I won't be able to film it, but all you do is you screw it on with this screwdriver. Okay, the screw is on. Actually doesn't feel very heavy. Only about 10-15 kilos. Okay, so let's have a look at the side of the monitor. There's a power cable here. Power cable. So there's a monitor. On the left-hand side, you can see all of these ports. So you can probably put some keyboard, mice. This goes to the computer. That's a USB-C port, display port, 2 HDMI ports, speakers. Hey guys, so as you can see, I've put up my Aorus monitor. Now, this is a 34-inch ultra-wide. Okay, so you can sort of compare that with the size of the 48-inch. That's how much bigger it is. 48, 34. All right. Now, there's some measurements that I need to take so you guys understand how big it is before you buy it. Okay, I had to Google this a lot, so I had no idea, but hopefully by measuring it now, you guys will have a good idea. So let's measure first the distance between these legs. So from there to here, what is the distance? Because if your table's too small, it's not going to fit. So let's measure that. 101.5 centimeters to be conservative. From one leg to another. Right? From here to here, 101.5 centimeters. So if your desk is not at least that wide, you're going to have a lot of trouble. Okay, now the depth. About 25 centimeters. About 25 centimeters is the depth. Okay, now the height of the stand. As you can see, in order to make my Xbox Series X fit underneath the TV, I had to put a lot of books underneath it. Okay, so what is the height of the space between my computer and the books, that is the height of the stand, the vertical height. So let's measure that. 5.8 centimeters. So if you're putting this on the table, the space between the monitor and the table is only 5.8. Alright, just under 6 centimeters, so it's not a lot. Whereas the Xbox Series X is 15 centimeters or 15.2 centimeters. So that's why I put all these books here to lift it up. Alright, well that's I think that's all the dimensions you need. Just for the sake of it, I'll measure the height and the width of the monitor. It's 61 centimeters tall. .61 centimeters tall and 107 centimeters wide. Okay, well those are the dimensions of the TV. Hopefully you guys will find that useful before you buy it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Eddie the Magic Eddie the Magic Monk. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.